Hey everybody, welcome to the Veg for Life and Company. My name is Alexa, and today I'm going to show you a really easy baked cod recipe. So put your aprons on and let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 3/4 cup of vegetable stock, 2 cups of green peppers, 2 cups of diced tomatoes, 1 heaping tablespoon of pesto, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, fresh parsley, 2 pounds of cod that's been rinsed and pat dry. If you want a recipe for pesto, I will leave a link in the description box below, and I also have a video for homemade vegetable stock, so check those out in the description box. Let me know in the comment section below if you've made any changes or substitutions to this recipe. Alright guys, I hope you loved this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you can stay up to date with new recipes, product recommendations, and of course, sales from thebedfordlife.com. Check out the description box below for links to our Patreon page and PayPal. In addition, you can find direct links to all of the products and merchandise we feature in this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon.